All right, boys and girls. So the first mod that I'm gonna do on here, I guess, is gonna be the triple clamp. I just want to put some pro taper bars on here, right here. Boom, boom. I don't know. I just don't feel like I'm like bending over down on this thing too much. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. I'm gonna try these bars on first. Look at that. Pro taper. Look at that. Boom, boom. Kinda sick, kinda sick. Perfect. Put it on the bike. Dun 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 dun. Haha. Some reason I can't find my impact, but also I want to lower this thing too, or lift it because it's kind of high. Come on, buddy. See, if I had my impact, it would have been easy. Boom. I like how this bike is a stone bike because I do not care what happens to it. Boom. Hopefully this brake line doesn't give me problems. It's gonna be a problem if it probably is. It's probably gonna be a problem. But boom. Okay. Now I guess I take that. Do this. Oh, different size. Wow. Now what? Does it just pop off like that? I think so, right? I hope so. Oh! I just stepped on that fucking... I forgot there's that fucking thing on there. Guys, as you can see, fuck my life, there's a mouse that's dead right there. And I hope I didn't disintegrate his whole family of ants. Oh, fuck. That's disgusting. Ooh. Boom. Triple clamp off. And you just put it on there, supposedly. A little bit persuasion. Boom. Put that on there. Torque it to 3 adagas. Boom. I think that's good. One more. Let's give it one more. Boom. Yeah, it's still good. We good. Baby. Yep, much better. Not leaning down too much. I hated that when I was leaning down too much. Should be fine right there, right? Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna torque that all down later. I'm just mocking it up. Looks fucking good though. Woo! Okay. So, the throttle cable does not reach as far as I wanted to, so I'm gonna reroute it somewhere. Oh my goodness, just a mess of things over here. I think throttle cable should reach if I put it through. Oh god. Put it through here, up here, boom. Yes, there we are. I think should be good right there. Along the lines of right there. Boom. Yeah. Wing. Wing, wing. Wing, wing. It's raining. It's definitely not gonna ride tonight. So, I don't know what the steps by steps are, but I usually just clean these things, and they should squish. So, should squish down to what it's supposed to be. Should seal up, but which one is this one? This is the long one. Okay, so the long one I would always just put first. How do I do this? Okay. So this one. Where does this one go? Like this. Like this. How did they route it on this other bike? Was it the one in the back? Oh yeah. Okay, so had it all wrong. Okay lang.
May ako Walmart shopping delivery.
Okay. Right. Should be good. Alright, so now I am bleeding the brakes because I did all that earlier. Where's the line?